Hey, this will be a video chart on CWRN. Before I get started, I want to kind of not pat myself on the back, but just show the power of charts. These lines you see here are from the last time I believe I did the chart. If you don't believe me, it's as simple as going back through the video archives and pulling up this video. But I drew these because at the time, obviously the price was below it, and I had mentioned that this was a very crucial area of resistance. And with crucial areas, they're hard to get through, but when they do, the price can really run. And sure enough, when the price did get through it here, it skyrocketed. And then the other part of charts is when a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. And sure enough, when this big decline happened, look right where it stopped, right at this level. And like I said, I haven't touched any of these lines. All you have to do is go back to the archives and look at the last time I did this video if you don't believe me, and you'll see these are exactly where I put it. But that just really shows the power of charts and makes a great example of how when key resistances are broken, big moves can happen and resistances become support. So right here, the savvy chart players are sitting here just waiting to try to accumulate some shares. Sure enough, they got some, and then look at that big move from that level there. So not necessarily patting myself on the back, but more so just kind of bragging about the power of charts and how they really are beneficial. So anyways, let's get to the chart right now. Been a very nice chart ever since it's made its initial move back here in late December. And the best thing about it is just simply higher lows. Actually, I take that back. Let's go back here where it made this first big move. And it had lows down here. When it consolidated, you can see the lowest it went was right there. Made a big move once more. Lowest it went was right there. This move, lowest it went was right there, and so forth and so on. So you can see that each time it makes a move upwards, it keeps putting in higher lows, and that is exactly why when we look here at this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average, and even now the 200-day simple moving average, both have this upwards tilt to it, showing that all aspects of the chart are bullish right now. Short term, you can see, is a bullish trend. Medium term, represented by the 50-day bullish trend, and long term, also represented by the 200-day, is now bullish because you can see that it is sloping upwards. So what's going on currently? Well, we're in another one of CWRN's classic pullbacks, it looks like, and sure enough, it's holding right above where you would like it to. You can see this 2-cent mark was an area of resistance where it peaked out here, and a couple more times tried to get through it, but once it did, big move, and now you can see that the price has been hovering right around this area. So 2 cents is going to be a key level of support that we ideally want to see the bulls be able to hang on to. If they don't, not the end of the world, because we still do have the 20-day simple moving average sloping up right below it. So kind of this would be the ideal situation, but if that doesn't hold, then you still do have the 20-day simple moving average right there. In terms of resistance, pretty easy here. It's just simply up here at 3 cents because that is where the bear stepped in last time. But as this chart has shown, here and then here once again, and then this high, usually it'll pull back, and then the second attempt or third, these levels have been getting demolished. But right now, 0.03 is going to be the key level of resistance that you want to see the bulls push through. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups and trade ideas, everything from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money on our alerts, so it's at least worth going to the site, checking it out, and signing up. One more time, this was CWRN. Thanks for listening.